Assalamu alaikum and welcome to Voice of Libraries, on a platform where we explore the world of knowledge, research, and library science.
Welcome, everyone. Today, we delve into the bedrock of research, primary sources. They are, quite simply, the foundations of knowledge itself.
Today, we'll discuss one of the most essential topics in information science: primary sources, also known as original sources of information. Introduction. Every researcher begins with one key question: where does authentic information come from? In the world of knowledge, the answer lies in primary sources, the original materials that provide direct evidence or first-hand information about an event, idea, or discovery. They are the foundation, the first link in the chain of information that supports all later sources, like secondary and tertiary ones. Definition and meaning. Primary sources are original records created at the time an event occurred, or by individuals who directly witnessed or participated in that event. In simple words, primary sources are the first-hand evidence of any event, experience, or research, untouched, original, and authentic. These sources have not been interpreted, analyzed, or filtered by anyone else. They are pure data, raw material for every research process. Types of primary sources. Primary sources are generally divided into two main categories. Green. 1. Published primary sources. These are materials that have been printed or made publicly available. Examples include research papers and scientific journals, official government reports, conference proceedings, patents and technical documents, legal papers, treaties or constitutions, statistical data, and field reports. These are widely used in academic and scientific research as direct, reliable evidence. Blue. Unpublished primary sources. These are not formally published, but contain unique first-hand information. Examples include personal letters and correspondence, laboratory notes, diaries and memoirs, personal files or manuscripts, inscriptions on graves, coins, and ancient artifacts. Unpublished materials are often preserved in archives, museums, or special collections, and they offer an intimate, unfiltered look into historical and personal realities. Importance of primary sources. Primary sources are the heart of research, the raw truth behind every academic discovery. Here's why they matter. Authenticity. They provide original, reliable, and factual information. Foundation for discovery. New theories and knowledge are built from these first-hand records. Accuracy. They help prevent bias and misinterpretation because they are untouched data. Historical and scientific value. They allow researchers to see the world through the eyes of those who lived or observed it. As one scholar beautifully said, without primary sources, research becomes repetition, not discovery. Access in the digital age. In the modern world, access to primary sources has become easier than ever. You no longer have to visit archives physically. Digital technology has brought them to your fingertips. Examples of modern platforms include Google Scholar, JSTOR, Digital Library of Pakistan, National Archives websites, institutional repositories, and open data portals. These digital platforms allow students and researchers to explore primary materials globally, instantly, and freely. Conclusion. To conclude, primary sources are the soul of knowledge and the foundation of research. They connect us directly to truth, to the past, the present, and even the ideas that shape the future. For every librarian, student, and researcher, understanding and using primary sources correctly is the first step towards credible, meaningful, and original research. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Voice of Libraries. Together, let's keep spreading knowledge, the voice of libraries across the world.